Albert Einstein is widely considered to be one of the most brilliant scientists in history, with a profound impact on our understanding of the universe. Born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany, Einstein grew up in a middle-class Jewish family, and showed an early interest in mathematics and science. Einstein's early education was marked by struggles with authority and a lack of interest in conventional learning methods. Despite this, he showed a remarkable aptitude for mathematics and physics, and by the age of 16, he had already mastered differential and integral calculus. In 1896, Einstein entered the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich, where he studied physics and mathematics. It was here that he began to develop his revolutionary theories about the nature of space, time, and gravity. After graduating in 1900, Einstein struggled to find employment in academia, but eventually secured a job as a patent clerk in Bern, Switzerland. It was during this time that he developed some of his most groundbreaking theories, including the theory of special relativity. In 1905, Einstein published a series of papers that would change the course of modern physics. These papers included his theory of special relativity, which challenged the long-held assumptions about the nature of space and time, and his famous equation E equals mc², which showed the relationship between mass and energy. Over the course of his career, Einstein continued to make significant contributions to the field of physics, including the theory of general relativity, which explained the force of gravity in terms of the curvature of spacetime. Einstein's work had a profound impact on our understanding of the universe, and his theories continue to be studied and tested to this day. His work on the photoelectric effect was particularly groundbreaking, and led to the development of the field of quantum mechanics. In addition to his contributions to science, Einstein was also an outspoken advocate for peace and social justice. He was a pacifist and spoke out against war, and was a supporter of civil rights and the rights of minorities. Einstein's life was not without its challenges, however. He was a German Jew living in Europe during a time of rising anti-Semitism, and he fled Germany in 1933 after the Nazi Party came to power. He eventually settled in the United States, where he continued to work and advocate for peace and justice. Einstein passed away on April 18, 1955, at the age of 76. His legacy as one of the greatest scientists in history is secure, and his contributions to the field of physics continue to inspire new generations of scientists. Albert Einstein was a brilliant scientist whose work had a profound impact on our understanding of the universe. His groundbreaking theories about the nature of space, time, and gravity continue to be studied and tested, and his contributions to the field of physics have revolutionized the way we think about the world. Beyond his scientific contributions, Einstein was also a vocal advocate for peace and justice, and his life serves as an inspiration to us all. Albert Einstein was not only a brilliant scientist, but also a gifted philosopher and writer. His ideas about the nature of the universe, the role of science in society, and the importance of imagination continue to inspire people around the world today. Here are some of his most famous quotes. "Imagination is more important than knowledge. For knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world, stimulating progress, giving birth to evolution." This quote highlights Einstein's belief that imagination is essential for scientific discovery and progress. He recognized that knowledge is limited by our current understanding, but imagination has the power to drive innovation and change. "Science without religion is lame, religion without science is blind." This quote reflects Einstein's belief that science and religion are not mutually exclusive, but rather complementary. He saw both as valuable tools for understanding the universe, and believed that they could work together to help people lead more fulfilling lives. Peace cannot be kept by force, it can only be achieved by understanding. Einstein was a committed pacifist, and believed that conflict could only be resolved through dialogue and mutual understanding. He recognized that true peace requires empathy and respect for others, rather than brute force. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. This quote reflects Einstein's lifelong curiosity and love of learning. He recognized that questioning and curiosity are essential for scientific discovery and progress, and believed that they were important values for all people to embrace. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. Despite his extraordinary accomplishments, Einstein remained humble and grounded, recognizing that his success was the result of hard work, dedication, and a love of learning. This quote reflects his belief that anyone can achieve great things if they are passionate and curious. These quotes are just a few examples of the wisdom and insight that Albert Einstein shared with the world. His ideas about science, religion, and humanity continue to be studied and celebrated today, and his legacy as one of the greatest minds in history remains secure. We appreciate your support in watching our videos. If you enjoy learning about political, business, and science leaders' biographies and quotes, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a thumbs up to help us grow and continue bringing you valuable content.